So you've been out to your local steakhouse and you saw the giant long bone tomahawk ribeye steaks? Well, I'm going to show you how to make it like a pro today, right here on the DawgfathasBBQ YouTube channel. Alright, so as we said, today we're going to do a Wagyu 40-ounce tomahawk ribeye steak. So we ain't even going to waste any time, guys. We're going to get right into this. We're going to get this thing seasoned up with some Sucklebuster's SPG and some 1836 beef rub. So let's do it. Alright, so our first layer we're going to put on is going to be this SPG. We've got this SPG from Dan over at Sucklebuster's and my man Rick over at Rick's Barbecue and Specialties. So they were kind enough to send me these rubs, so we're going to go ahead and put them to use today on this massive Wagyu 40-ounce tomahawk, man. And then our second layer, we're going to come with this 1836. So this is the first time that I've ever used 1836, and it seems to be a pretty tasty rub. I've tasted it straight out of the bottle. It's got a good smokiness to it. It's got some coarse peppers and everything in here, so this is going to go great on this steak. So I've already got the grill lit up. We're doing the Weber kettle today, and we're going to be doing a reverse sear. That's right, a reverse sear. So I got it lit up with some B&B charcoal, and we're going to use some hickory wood chunks. So let's get over to the grill. Let's get this massive tomahawk on the grill. Alright guys, so as you saw, we just got our tomahawk on the grill. We're using our Inkbird today to monitor our temperatures, and what I've got it set for right now is our first checkpoint is going to be at 90 degrees. Once that steak hits 90 degrees internal, we'll flip it over. We'll then smoke it up to about 115 degrees, just so we can get a good even smoke throughout this first smoking process on the front side of this. And then we're going to kick up the grill temperature and we're going to get the sear on, alright? So we're going to let these steaks smoke away in this hickory wood, and hey, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we got our grill temperature up to about 600 degrees on those grill grates. So it's time for us to go ahead and get these get this tomahawk steak on. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go for diamond patterns. So we're gonna do quarter turns to get our hash marks on our steak. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for a finishing temperature to be somewhere around 128 degrees. So if we hit that right temperature and we let it rest up, it should be a good rare steak for us. So let's get it on. Alright guys, so hey, we got our steak off. We hit our 128. We actually hit 129 degrees on this steak, but we went ahead and got it off. We let it rest for about 30 minutes. So now it's gonna be time to cut into it. So let's get over to the cutting board and let's get this steak cut up, alright? Alright gang, so we're gonna go ahead and get this steak cut here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run my knife right along the bone there and get that off. Now we're just gonna take slices here. And there you go. So guys, that was reverse searing a tomahawk ribeye steak. This was a Wagyu 40 ouncer, and it's just that simple. So if you found this video useful, you might want to check out a couple of these other videos I've got linked right here. And I'm going to get into this steak, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.